All right, so let's get the very latest on Hurricane Hilary and what we can expect here with our forecasts. Although we're starting out quite nice.
I'm going to hate saying the cliche, but yeah, calm before the storm, right? You may not think a hurricane or tropical storm is headed our way, but we've been talking about it, we've been tracking it. And yes, in due time, the next couple days, certainly through the weekend, it's going to be changing the weather pattern here quite significantly in regards to bringing heavy rain, gusty periods of strong winds, and then obviously with that posing some damages with flooding and fallen trees, power outage potential, and high seas. But look at just the eye of the storm of Hurricane Hilary there. Just so dark, and this is the center of the eye of the storm. All of the disturbances around it, just indicating how powerful it is, and it's continuing to carry its strength, which is why it became a hurricane category 4 just overnight. And as it continues to travel and trek up north, yes, it will weaken once it makes landfall into California, which thankfully so. But just give you an idea that it lingers the period between now and Saturday as it intensifies, right? And then weakens once it hits landfall come Sunday early morning overnight hours. So what you're getting and what you're seeing here on Saturday around noontime with the light showers and spotty isolated heavy downpour there, that's the cone of the hurricane, of the storm, right? So there are two parts of the cone. It's the top of it and the bottom of it, and then you have the center, the eye. So while you're tracking the eye and a national hurricane is tracking that, we're also tracking the damages that the cone poses, which you see here, which is what we get on Saturday. First band of showers and rain and thunderstorm potential over our mountains and deserts, because that's the tip of the cone for the first half. And then you have the eye of the storm. This is now Sunday, producing orange and yellow areas there. That's heavy, heavy rain. That's where we're going to get a good chunk of our rainfall total. So we're predicting anywhere between 2 to 7 inches in a span of Saturday until Tuesday, right? Because Tuesday is when we get the tail end, the end of the cone. So we're still in the eye there, Monday into Monday night, and then Tuesday morning when it's moving up north, getting into Las Vegas area and southern Nevada, that's when we'll get the remnants of that storm system there. So just to give you a better idea, a bigger picture, right? So there it is, light rain, this is the cone part, and then you transition to the eye of the storm, there it is. It will weaken as it continues to trek up north and makes landfall in San Diego, Los Angeles County. There it is, and then that's when you have all the good chunk of the rain we're getting, and the good gusty winds, about 70 miles per hour on average with that. That's still pretty significant with the wind there. And then you add the heavy rain coming down all at once. Obviously, that's why we have flood watch in effect until starting Saturday until Monday, 11 p.m. And then even this is the second part of that cone, so the end of the storm system there. That's why we still have rain potential for Monday or Tuesday morning. So these are preliminary rain totals. As I mentioned, the track of the storm, or I should say Hurricane Hilary now, but it will become a tropical storm. The track of it always, it's uncertain, right? Because there's no real one-way path. It's not like it's a highway where a tropical storm and hurricane needs to travel in that direction. A lot of it goes into play, and I just explained to you why that is, because you have two sides of that cone there, and that indicates where it could just make that impact, because those cone sections can also produce heavy rain. As you see here, we have aerial flood watch in effect, and then tropical storm watch for Southern California, pretty much San Diego all the way up to Los Angeles County. All right, we'll send it back to you guys right now at the desk.
All right.